Panelists, we can actually talk from our various seats. You just press the button. His Royal Majesty, the Oinoyi of Iberialand, who himself is an established miner, would like to hear from you, Your Royal Majesty. 2 minutes, Your Royal Majesty. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of the State, Your Excellency, the Vice President of Nigeria, Yomi Osinbajo, my dear members of the mining industry, we have a challenge here. In the past, you ask somebody, what is a mineral? There's a joke said about it. Oh, I have minerals, soda water, champagne. We're not here to discuss those type of minerals. We're to discuss minerals that actually come out of geoscientific exploration and knowledge. I would beg your time, sir, to explain. Everybody talking about minerals. There are so many in nature. Nature is so kind about minerals. And unless you have specific qualification to identify minerals, you see them and pass by without knowing the use of such minerals. For example, there's common saying that all that glitters is not gold. The glitter, you find them shining more than gold. But in quality, you can easily dissolve it. Whereas the gold you cannot dissolve unless you use aquamarine. That's a solution that can dissolve it. And that's saying that all that glitters is also indicated in the presence of a mineral. Gold, for example, compared to what we call pyrite.
False gold.
Yes. You find that one is heavier and much lighter in glaser. Also, you have the desire of knowing where to find them. Look up around you. There are environments that can indicate to you where you can find minerals. And apply your geological survey. Carry out a very intensive or close exploration. After all, mineral doesn't show itself unless you look for it. And this is why I'm so happy that our governor, within a short time, has been able to tell me that there are more than 34 minerals in Nigeria, and he is determined to carry out extensive exploration, which he's already preparing to do, so that you out all those minerals that are buried underground. Yesterday, as the Minister of Mines stated, we were in Ajaokuta, and this revelation was made that Ajaokuta is coming up. Unless we have these minerals available, thinking about minerals, 100 minerals, 1,000 minerals, is not enough. They are there on the ground. We don't want to go and meet them on the ground. We want to bring them out and use them for human purposes. So this is the use of minerals as far as concerned. Now, using minerals without referring to technology could be another way of wasting minerals. And this is a position where the government will come in and establish information that will help miners to know what mineral they want and how they can exploit them and use them. In my days in the mines field, I was with the ATMN, talking of 1950, early 50s, and we used locally made exploration machinery, which you call gamajigo. Some of you may know what that means. It's a combination of metals to drill and get your mineral out. That is not the world we live in now. So we are going to scientific method of exploration, and without which we don't talk about gold. We have to exploit, and when you see it, it's only then that you can talk of using it. We get to the stage of using gold, or any mineral for that matter. You really have to need an expert to advise you to save waste, and to avoid waste, and to make sure that you are on economic venture. If that is not done, well, don't waste your time.
Thank you, sir.
And another point which I think everybody should know, I think I should really talk about common things of mining, is how do you treat minerals. In Nigeria, we have, in the past, this smelting company, which saved us from exploring minerals to outside country for finishing. That is no longer existing. I think that the minister would kindly bear us out that we have to build up a very effective smelting machinery so that you can smelt your gold and do what you want out of it. You can smelt your minerals and do whatever you want out of it. If you have to explore, obtain, and export, it doesn't really help us. You see, something is left. And I believe that the modern miner is thinking of this method, in Jos in particular. And we here, we are very keen to follow. But the president of mineral in Kogi State is Mendos. You know, we have, you just said, we have iron ore. It may please the minister that only a few days ago, he approved 3 very viable iron ore mining leases. 3. I think Itapi should be looking up what to do. And I assure the Ajabuta that it's been resting. Mineral is coming. It's a great venture, and I want to thank the minister for allowing the approval to be carried out in such a short time. The Ajabuta has a hope, without which it's a cost to Nigeria. How can a big country like this, with so much mineral to talk about, and wasted, not utilized? Yes, they've been there for years because of lack of cooperation and political evidence that they got into it. Today, that is going away. We are having it, investing it or privatizing it. The mineral is not only the answer. Give the people, teach the people how to do it. Let them do it. They will do it, and we're happier.
Thank you, sir.
Carrying them, calling people, come and get a mineral, take out. No. Teach us how to use it. Employ people to learn. Build the schools. And that will help us.
Thank you, Your Royal Highness, very much.